Street Riders. CAMix. Come out and play. To the remix, what? We be bigger and better, we got more cheddar. No car sizzling from chefs to jetters. We got about 200 whips and 50 bikes. Logos all over Scotia, that's right. As we pull up to the lights, we like it's all terror. Only time I see you in my rear view mirror. Break burn from Timberley to the harbor. Amps that'll shake your chest, not shake harder. Did you guess? We iller than...
Here we go. Oh, the guys are in the way. Mac, you better make sure that don't fall over.
There we go.
Whoa. 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 Ooh. Ooh. They keep getting higher up. Come on.
Mark disappeared.
Come on. Here, I'll get it. Whoa.
I think the ball got 10 times worse. Now you just gotta pull the ones out of the ground that are dead.
Yeah.
Look way over there. There's a light in the trees.
Man walking.
There's a man walking.
Yeah. Probably whoever owns that other car. Jesus, you're gonna get... Whoa! Whoa! Dad, I'm gonna find a... Oh my god! Woo! I'm gonna find a place for the... Oh my god! That was sweet! Sweet! They're Canada Day fireworks. We're just a little late on them.
Canada Day fireworks.
Go try it like the present.
Oh!
Right on his butt.
Woo, now they're going.
Oh! That's yummy. Oh! More! That's crazy. Is that it? No.
You see them lighting. Yeah, there goes another good one.
I want one.
Alright. I need a better lighter. Lighter?
Here. Bobby?
Mine's only lighting sometimes. You got one?
Yeah. You're in my way, TJ.
Alright.
That's really cool.
Hey! I am
Look, Lindsay, it's getting closer. Yeah, it's the guy walking. You know it's a guy.
It's going up in a tree.
Better check on Buddy, make sure he didn't fall in the water. Oh, no!
Nice story.
Mommy, you know we have a... You know we have
Go forever.
Are they working or what?
When I go over, I'm gonna...
No. Don't you dare, you'll be going into the head.
Can I have your camera?
No.
Can I
Oh, look! Whoa!
Mommy, can I take a picture of it?
I'm not taking a picture. I'm videoing.
Can I video it?
Can I turn around? Look.
Oh, sweet.
Turn around. I'll let you help. Okay?
Me too, I want to.
See? Kelly? It was both. Kelly? What? It was both. Oh yeah.
They have an on me next too.
No. Just stay the same. Whoa.
What's he doing?
Roman candles.
I got no left. What are you doing?
Can I help you look at it?
I think they're done. Is that it? Megan, no further.
It's like, hey, I'm a shitty firework.
Okay, let's go.
It's like a cough.
I can't see you. They're in the way. Settle down. Oh, he's right in my way.
Yeah, we need a bonfire. That's what I tried to do.
Fucking not.
There you go. Oh, it shot one. Oh, here we go. Yeah! Woo. That was wicked. That's what you're supposed to do. Well, pile them on the fire. Oh, smell the sulfur over here. You know, Bruce, you're all done. Yeah. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, it's so red. Yeah, it's still going, guys. Light the lid. Okay, what's this one? Oh, yeah. Oh. That's some good video right there, gentlemen. Take that. Yeah. Oh, here goes. Oh, here goes another one. Daryl, they're by your feet. Whoa, they're jumping in the bag. Woo. That wasn't all. I couldn't have done. Ooh, smell the sulfur. Yeah, I like that one. I'm putting that one on Facebook. CAMix Fireworks 101. Yeah! We like books. I put the whole thing on fire. Oh, did it? Nice one. Warm your hands, dude. Oh. There you go. Share the flame. There's lights coming down there. That's the road that we take in. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, at least there's no lit green lights in the sky this year. So I guess we're going to name this one CAMix Fireworks 102. Bag's kind of heavy. Bag's kind of heavy. Nope. Da, 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 da. What is... Oh, duds. Nope. There's still one in there that's fucking wick with... Nope. Find one that had no wick.
Anyone?
Nope.
Everybody back up.
Nope. Not lighting a bag.
Again.
Oh shit, okay. There we go. We found some. Yeah, just like the bag. We'll find out if there's any in it. Just light the bag on for you. We'll do it right. We'll put it on the pathway here and, you know, hope for the best. We're good fire safety. Hey, you guys are the fire marshals from PEI, right? Remember? They're back. Yeah, we had to have the fire brigade in PEI. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Our fire pit was getting a little huge. Oh, shit. They have chimney bricks that they built with it. Yeah. The chimney bricks were exploding because the fire was so hot.
You're heating up and contracting.
Yeah, man, it was nuts.
I did that Shaw Brick Factory in Enfield. We were on a concrete slab. We had a huge bonfire going. My buddy was rapping, right? And fucking, it just fucking explodes like chunks of concrete like this big, man. The whole fire just went, oh, fucking just exploded. The fire wasn't even there anymore, man. It's retarded. There's a concave hole in the fucking cement. It was
what's this one?
Oh yeah, whole bag.
It was unbelievable, man. I was like, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah.
I didn't get up close to one of those.
Nice one.
Whoa. Oh shit. Helps if I light it, don't it?
That was bright.
Well, he held it open for me, did he not?
That's all you wanted to hold?
Yeah, he's got one of those missile ones. Where'd he go? I can't even see him.
No, there's one that had no wick in it. The wick blew out. Really? Yeah.
So what are you going to do with it?
I can work it.
I'm bagging up. You're going to lose his hand. He got no wick.
Good luck.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Dude, you're all backing right now. Don't go too far.
This is how you blow your face up.
Yeah. Don't try this at home. Oh, great. I wasn't expecting that to go.
It worked. You won the bag? Nope.
And that's all. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
So you can't say anything, you're in the dark, can't see you. Hi, Jay.
Not lightly.
No. Smart ass. Whoa, what am I walking in? That's a big hole. Oh, lights.
Mommy,
I see lights flashing.
Yeah, you gotta light them all together.
Where's the flashlight, Cody?
Hi, everybody.
Whoa.
Mommy.
Come see the flashlight.
Okay, Cody, that was me, and you see him, and I still had her head on the door, and you opened it.
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing?
Spotted.
Okay, now, Cameron, you put your seatbelt on first. Amanda, get out.
Dun, 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 dun.
I am not going to
Hi, Mark. Damn. Bye. Bye.
We gotta go back to Morton's for a bit, or
Well, I gotta
everybody splitting and going home? What are we doing?
Yeah, that's pretty much it, buddy. I gotta take Bobby home and stuff. While we're out here, might as well. Just him to drive home.
Now!
Hi, Bobby.
Yeah, I am.
Bobby.
Dancing in the dark. You know which road this is, right, Daryl?
What?
You know how to get back to Halifax, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
GPS anyway.
Yeah, just go out and turn right and it takes you right back to the Rotary. What? No, it's a gift to everybody. Hi, Dave. Don't worry, I'll see you on YouTube later.
Hi, TJ.
Bye. Bye, Bye.
See you later.
Bye, guys. Hi, Gally.
Follow the line.
Bye.
Good. That's not as bright as his anymore.
It's dying. It's dying. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See that? First try.
What? Go home. You're gonna go to
All right. Bye, Mr. President. Yeah.